In this video, we will configure a basic application policy for inspection to either permit or deny traffic through our firewall. Configuring an application-based policy means that our firewall is not only looking at the protocol and port details, but it is also looking at the application headers and payload information within each session. This allows enhanced security and flexibility for restricting users to specific sub-applications within an application. For example, you may allow Facebook.com, which is using HTTP and HTTPS. However, with application control, I can create a policy to allow our users to only write posts and not chat within the Facebook web application. The best way to understand filtering based on ports or application is with an example of you receiving a package from a delivery person. Your house would represent the firewall, and the front door would be the untrusted interface that anyone could access. The person delivering the package would actually be a new packet that wants to reach the inside of your network, which would be our backyard. Now, you will be considered as the firewall or the inspection engine that will determine if that package should go to the backyard or be rejected at the front door. This is an actual package I received recently that we will use with our example. Now, if you are a protocol port filtering firewall, you will see that this package was shipped from China to the United States. And we see a brief description right here, you can't really read it though, of contents inside, which are pendants. So we know the source, the destination, and a description for what it is. However, we have no idea for what is truly inside this package. There may not be pendants inside. It could be something more hurtful to us. But this time, if our person does application inspection compared to protocol port inspection, then we will also want to look inside the package to examine the contents before accepting it. And when we do see pendants inside, which is what my wife has ordered. Therefore, this package can be accepted into our network or to our backyard. With the PAN appliance, it is the same thing. We want to do more granular inspection for increased security, including protecting data coming in and out of our network. This is the definition of next generation firewalls that many security engineers position the new PAN firewalls in the market today. Now back to our configuration. When adding applications into a security policy, you specify the applications you want to allow by name, which may consist of a group of different protocols. These application names could be web browsing, email, and SSL. Specifying these applications can allow us to do deep inspection to examine the contents. The PAN will use different databases and decoders for interpreting the content within an application that a user may access. In later videos, we'll configure URL and file blocking, which will rely on the policy of applications that we will allow outbound from our user network.